It has the 10-speed intuitive knob control, 12 auto switch preset programs, unparalleled convenience with innovative design, food processor, blender. You can blend all this and then you can make all this, because I'm seeing things like chopping, egg white, dough, juicer, slicing and shredding, french fries, smoothies, ice crushing, veg and fruit. What's this? You guys, my eyes on. What's this? Sorry, let me put on the light. My light here. Okay, veg and fruit, puree, ice cream, and then to clean. 2 blades for covering all. It's very large, you guys. Fusion mode technology, innovative transition between modes, 10-speed intuitive knob control. Okay, so this is my first ever food processor, and let's see what's inside. Let me mount this my camera properly so you can see everything. Okay, I think we are all set, and I'm just going to open the carton to see what's there. So we have this big thing, and it has, let me just bring them out one by one. So I think this is the juicing cover or so. Yeah, I think so. I think this is the juicing cover. Yeah, this thing is very solid though. Like, this plastic is very solid. We have the blades. Okay, we have this blade. Let me show you what blade this is. Now, these things are sharp, so I don't know what this one is actually used for cutting, but we'll find out in the future. As we use it, I will be updating you. I do vlogs, so you'll find them in between my vlogs. Okay, that's one of it. And then there's another one. This one, I think, is what you can use to do chips and other stuffs. It's another kind of blade. I'm just trying to be careful, and this thing looks like original steel. It's very solid. Okay, moving on. There's another kind of blade. Many blades are here. Depends for cutting what we do. There are 2 kinds of, but I think it's different size of this and this. Okay, so that's how it looks. With the manual, I will just know which is meant for which. And then this is another blade. I don't know what this one is used to cut off. Read the mouth is, wow. Okay, they even wrote this side cannot be up. I think there's little instructions. Okay, this side up. So if you're placing it, they're saying you place it this way and not the other way. Okay, let's see what else is there. This one is just, don't know why it's so big like this, but empty. It's part of the packaging. Then let me show you guys how the things are inside. So let me bring them one by one. Let me bring them out. Yeah, this is the main engine. This is that view. It is actually heavy. Very heavy. Okay, so this is how it looks. The other icons here, like I'm seeing different food items here, and they're saying this is processor and this is a blender job. And then it has this what they call it, it has this rubber stuffs to grip wherever you place it. So for the power ranges, the power is 1500 watts. So my husband, I will understand all this because we use inverter in my house, so it's him that will know. 220 to 240 volts, that's normal light. At least I know that one. That's normal Nigerian light. So the rest I don't know. We have this is the blending jug, like for your pepper and any other thing. The jug looks solid, and this is the under. The blade too looks solid, like very solid. Even the plastic, how many liters? 1750 ml. So I know 1000 ml is 1 liter, so almost 2 liters. Okay, not bad, not bad. I love when my appliance is black. Like, yours should just be black. If it's white and all those other, I don't like it. So something else here. I think this is for the food processor to push it. Abby? Oh, it's for the blending too. I think this is for the blending. Okay, I think this is for the blending for the food processor. But let's see. Okay, it's for the blending. No, at the top, you know when you are blending stuffs and you need to push it in. Yeah, for the blending, because it came in the same nylon, like the same leather bag for it. Okay. Then we have this. This is the food processor kit. This one, I don't know what this thing is for. I really do not know. Okay, I think this is the emulsifying stuff for things like if you want to make your egg, whisk your egg to the extent that it turns to foam-like texture. I think that's it. And for things like butter also. Then this one, guys, I'm trying to be careful because these blades are sharp. Even though it's protected, I'm still trying to be careful. There's something covering it. This is very sharp. So let me just put it back like that. Put it aside, and then I think this is a connector or something. This one too, I think this is for the dough. There are other little instructions on it, are there? Okay, no instruction on this one. But from the manual, I'll know which one fits in. But this one looks like this is the dough stuff. Then let me see. I think this is the cover. Okay. And this is the thing that goes on top of it. Let me push it to push your foodstuffs inside this way. Yeah. So guys, let me bring you down so you see what I'm really showing you. Okay. So I think this thing is to push stuff. The stuff looks thick. The plastic stuff looks thick. This one to the jug, they look thick, and this is 2000 ml. I think that's 2 liters jug for the food processor. Okay. Then this one. Okay, yeah, this one is for citrus, like things like oranges, your tangerine, and clementine, to help you just squeeze your juice. This one, I don't know what it's for. I really do not know, but I'm going to check. I'm going to check the manual. I'll check the manual. I don't know what this is for. It looks strange, safe. Okay. Just put this thing inside here. It looks like when you put your orange, you squeeze it like this, and this is the filtering basket, and then your juice just comes out of it here. And this one you squeeze and squeeze. Okay, I see now. And then you put it inside the food processor jug. It's making sense. So we have something else. This is another cup for your smoothies and ice. I think this one is very thick. Like it's thicker than the rest actually. It's very thick. So I think this is for ice crushing. And this is how the under looks. Let me open it. Hey guys, this is, they're actually solid though. Like, see the blade. I don't know if you can see it properly. You should. They're actually solid. Solid blade. Looks solid. So these are the things I can use to do my smoothies. Oh my god, I'm so happy. The manual. Yeah, so this is Hisense product warranty. One in Nigeria. Okay, and then this is the actual manual, instruction manual. Okay, so this is all the parts. They've mentioned all the parts here. So these are the names as well. We have 23 items here, like 23 parts. and yeah, everything is here and how to use it. So it has this LED display kind of light stuff here. Whenever I use it, I will show you, or if I've already filmed it, I'll add it to this clip. And then other instructions: safety lock, mincing function, to mince meat, to mince meat. What's the correct pronunciation? God help me. Whipping egg white function. Yeah, you remember what I said? Yeah, kneading dough function, then juicing function, so shredding and slicing function, cutting strips and grinding function, milkshake function, ice crushing function, fruits and vegetables function, vegetable puree function, ice cream function, and the cleaning function. That's nice. That's nice. And they're saying this is how you can put the parts to couple them together. And yeah, like the instruction manual is very detailed. Every part, how to use it and what's not to do. Okay, so cheers to trying a lot of stuff with this. I can't wait to even make my banga paste. I don't eat pounded yam, but I just might try it. And then those stuff like breads. Oh, we are in for a lot. So anyway, so you guys, this is how it's looking.